You're an empath, and we're all empaths, and that means that you're incredibly gifted at knowing, perceiving literally in your own auric field and in your body the energy of other people. You know their emotions, you know their thoughts, you feel their energy in your body. And that is not an easy gig for someone who's been at this 20 years working with empaths. It's not an easy gig. So I want to applaud you. And the question that you're asking to the universe and the universe is asking back to you, how can we shift together into more connection so that we can have more ease? And you're asking, what do I need to do, universe? Show me the way so that I can let go of some of the challenging parts of being an empath. Releasing perfectionism, releasing overgiving, trying to be a superhero. We came to this earth to help other people, and a lot of us as empaths are light workers, and we're starting our practices, or we've been practicing a while, helping other people, because that's what we're designed to do. So it's not a surprise or a shock to me that most of the individuals who I work with and individuals who have been following me through the years on my email list, on social media, are either light workers already or budding light workers. And so thus I've been doing a lot of education and training over the last year or so to help you move more deeply into your gifts. So, and what is the easiest way to do that? There's 6 shifts that I like to think that us as light workers need to make in order to have our prayers be answered for our businesses to really serve at the highest level. We all have a version of our next level. So my business, I've been at this 20 years. I have a next level in my business, in my service, and so do you. We're all different though, because we're all at different levels. The commonality among all of us is we're asking the universe, show me how I can go to the next level with ease. And there are 6 shifts that I lay out in all of my coursework and all of my programs, including the Empath Accelerator program, that will help you get more money, receive more money, more abundance, more time, more freedom, more flexibility, less overwhelm, and less burnout. And the biggest shift that you can make starting today, I want to see some hands raised to the universe. I'm willing to let go of perfectionism. I'm willing to let go of burnout and overwhelm, which is often caused by perfectionism. Hey, I'm guilty of this just as much as you are. We all have this in us because we all came to this earth to do good work. And we want to do it well, right? So just ask yourself, how can I release the need to be perfect today? How can I do that? I'm going to give you a little hint, a little technique that works really well for me. Use your breath, pair it with your breath. So I'll give you an example. This is what I do when I find my own self becoming overwhelmed with whatever. When I recognize this when I go to my 4th dimensional consciousness, which is above the perfectionism, above the burnout, above the overwhelm, in any given moment, I become aware. Here I am in the 4th dimension and I want to release my 3rd dimensional bullshit. And so what I do is just this. Y'all can feel that. What are we left with? Spaciousness, which is the 5th dimension. Spaciousness, that energy that you just felt. When you pair your breath and make it your intention to release your 3rd and 4th dimensional consciousness, you go to the 5th dimension, which is the key to more money, more abundance, more freedom, more flexibility, less overwhelm and less burnout. That is one of the 6 shifts that you're being asked to make. I look forward to engaging with you further. Check out all of our offerings, including the Empath Accelerator. And And I look forward to helping shepherd you and your business and your service into a great new reality.